Attorney Vanessa Williams of Guam People for Choice says abortion continues to be legal on Guam, and the Supreme Court ruling doesn't change that. She says a bill to outlaw abortion by the late Senator Elizabeth Areola and signed into law in 1990 by then Governor Joe Ada was shot down by the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals.
And it said this law is void, meaning it's of no effect, and it's permanently enjoined, meaning nobody can enforce it. So this law is dead.
But Attorney Peter Skro, who helped craft Senator Talina Nelson's still pending legislation to ban abortions once a fetal heartbeat is detected, believes otherwise.
The entire 100% basis of doing so 30 years ago was Roe versus Wade. So just from a common sense standpoint, there is no more Roe versus Wade. So what happens? To me, I think it should automatically just go into effect.
But there's one other thing that has to happen first.
I feel that our Guam Attorney General needs to file literally a one-page document in court dissolving the injunction, just as a formality. There is some confusion in our community, and by him doing what he should do that's required by the order of the Supreme Court, it will really help clarify a lot of things and help a lot of people.
Skro has contacted the AG's office seeking clarification, as have Speaker Tina Barnes and Senator Mary Torres. They also raised questions about a required referendum on the abortion issue that was never carried out. Williams says it's clear what the people want.
The majority of Guam voters, they've said, no, we don't want you to restrict healthcare, restrict reproductive healthcare. We want you to expand access and help us with the real problems on Guam, which are extremely high rates of domestic violence, sexual assault against women and children, poverty, some of the highest rates of infant mortality. That's what voters want.
She says lawmakers who push to criminalize abortion do so at their own peril. She also believes they all need to make clear where they stand.
They owe it to the people of Guam. This is your job. You have to answer. You need to unequivocally state where you're on the position. Do I support women, or do I make exceptions when I think I know what's better for your body? And that every single person is going to have to account for that. And their silence is going to be deafening.
For KOAM News, I'm Nestor Lecanto.